In an era where more and more jobs require spending a full workday in front of a computer, with an increasing number of people working partially or entirely from home, and AI steadily reshaping the way we work, there's a growing need for the tools we use every day, including computer peripherals, to evolve alongside those changes. As one of the world's leading computer peripheral manufacturers, Logitech has clearly been paying close attention to both technological trends and users' changing needs. Through its productivity-focused product lines, the company aims to deliver devices that fit seamlessly into modern workflows and make daily interaction with computers easier and more efficient. While the flagship MX series represents Logitech's highest-end offerings, the Signature series plays an equally important role by bringing many of its features to a much broader audience at more accessible price. Today we're looking at two new additions to that lineup, a mouse and a keyboard, also available as a bundle, that combine comfort, ergonomics, quiet operation, and Logitech's powerful Options Plus software into a compelling package for everyday productivity. The Logitech Signature Comfort Plus MK880 keyboard and M850 mouse are designed for users who prioritize long-term comfort, flexible wireless connectivity, and the extensive customization options offered by Logitech Options Plus, along with a few genuinely innovative touches. Let's take a closer look and see whether these might be the right peripherals for you. We'll start with the mouse, which is arguably the more interesting of the two due to the fact that it may be the first mouse to feature a built-in palm cushion. Located at the highest point of the mouse, this discrete cushion is filled with memory foam and covered with the same kind of durable material we've previously seen on keyboard palm rests. Visually, it's so subtle that it almost looks like a design accent rather than a functional feature, especially since its color blends seamlessly with the dark gray plastic used for the primary buttons. The moment you place your hand on it, however, its purpose becomes immediately obvious. The base of your fingers naturally rests on the soft cushion. The effect isn't dramatic at first, unless you intentionally press down to feel the pleasant resistance, but during long work sessions, it noticeably reduces friction and pressure against the hard plastic surface, precisely in the area where people often develop calluses from pull-up bars or wooden tool handles. There's one caveat though, this primarily benefits users who use palm grip, resting both their palm and fingers fully on the mouse. If you use a claw grip with curled fingers, the benefit will be less pronounced depending on your hand size and grip style. We think the palm grip is the better choice for relaxed all-day productivity anyway, and personally I found this mouse genuinely more comfortable. I'd actually love to see Logitech bring a similar solution to a future MX series mouse. For those who like everything else about the design but don't particularly care about the cushion, Logitech also offers an almost identical version without it, the Signature Comfort M840L. In terms of shape, the M850 immediately reminded me of the Logitech Marathon mouse M705, which I happily used for years. It's a medium-sized mouse that should comfortably accommodate a wide variety of hand sizes while remaining compact enough to serve as an excellent travel companion for laptop users. The shape is nearly symmetrical, with just a subtle angle on top surface that, together with the two thumb buttons, clearly makes it a right-handed design. The sides are sculpted to provide comfortable support for both your thumb and pinky, while the textured rubberized surface helps prevent slipping. Overall, it's an extremely pleasant mouse to use, and it's obvious Logitech paid close attention to comfort and ergonomics. The primary left and right buttons are exceptionally quiet, a characteristic shared by the keyboard, which makes this combination particularly appealing for people working from home late into the evening without disturbing others. The two side buttons produce a slightly more noticeable click, and like the button beneath the scroll wheel, their functions can be fully customized. By default, the center button activates Logitech's Action Ring feature, first introduced with the MX Master 4, which provides a customizable circular shortcut menu. While the scroll wheel isn't the mag speed wheel found on Logitech's premium MX models, it still supports one of my favorite features, smart wheel scrolling. Scroll slowly for precise line-by-line movement, or flick the wheel faster to seamlessly switch into rapid scrolling that lets you fly through long documents or web pages in a single motion. Holding one of the side buttons while scrolling also enables horizontal scrolling, giving the M850 an impressive level of flexibility for different workflows. Connectivity is equally versatile. The mouse supports Bluetooth connections with up to 3 devices, allowing you to switch between them using the button on the underside, or you can use Logitech's Logibolt wireless technology, although the USB receiver is sold separately. Flow is also supported, allowing you to work across multiple computers as though they were one extended desktop, even dragging and dropping files between them. Moving on to the keyboard, the Logitech Signature Comfort Plus MK880 resembles a simplified version of the Logitech Wave, and we mean that in the best possible way. At first glance, it's a fairly conventional keyboard with several thoughtful ergonomic refinements. Like the Wave, the key surface isn't completely flat, but instead curves upwards gently towards the center, encouraging a more natural hand position where your index fingers sit slightly higher than your little fingers. Unlike the Wave, however, the curvature is much simpler without the additional wave-like sculpting towards the edges, and the keys themselves retain a completely standard layout. Personally, I actually prefer this approach. It feels more familiar while still delivering meaningful ergonomic benefits that most users will likely appreciate. Comfort is further enhanced by the integrated palm rest, which mirrors the philosophy behind the M850's memory foam cushion. Not only is it genuinely comfortable, but it also feels exceptionally well made. The combination of materials and surface texture gives the impression of being far more durable than the faux leather coverings commonly found over memory palm rests, while also adding a nice premium touch to the overall design. The keyboard can be used flat or raised to one of 2 additional typing angles using the folding feet on the underside, which together with rubber pads at each corner keep it from sliding in use. Another important feature shared with the M850 is the quiet typing experience. While gentle typing, the keyboard can be virtually silent, while even normal typing remains subdued enough not to disturb someone sitting in the same room. This is achieved through traditional rubber dome switches, which naturally provide more cushioning than mechanical or scissor key designs. The trade-off, of course, is that they don't offer the same crisp tactile feedback found on mechanical keyboards or many laptop keyboards. If you're coming from either of those, there may be a short adjustment period. The keycaps themselves are standard size and spacing, though slightly shallower than average, with a subtle concave surface that helps guide your fingers into position. There is no backlighting, but white markings are pretty clear and designed to work equally well for both Windows and Mac users. Many of the keys feature secondary functions accessible via the FN key, including screen brightness adjustment, volume controls, multimedia playback, screenshots, the emoji panel, task view, or expose shortcuts. Above the numeric keypad, you'll also find dedicated buttons for online meetings, including screen sharing and controls for disabling microphone and camera. Along with the dedicated AI key and most of the top function row, a total of 22 keys can be fully customized using Logitech Options Plus. Like the M850 mouse, the MK880 supports simultaneous pairing with up to 3 devices over Bluetooth or Logibolt, again the receiver is not included, with dedicated switching buttons conveniently located above the insert home and page up keys. You may have noticed during our close-up shots that neither the mouse nor the keyboard features a USB charging port. That's because both rely on replaceable batteries instead of rechargeable ones. A single AA battery powers the mouse for up to 2 years, while 2 AAA batteries keep the keyboard running for an impressive 3 years. Based on my experience with the Marathon M705, I'd say these figures are entirely realistic. Not having to think about charging your peripherals is actually a surprisingly underrated convenience. Overall, these are compelling new peripherals for anyone looking for comfortable, practical productivity devices with extensive customization options designed specifically for modern work. As for pricing, the Logitech Signature Comfort Plus M850 mouse retails for around $50. The keyboard isn't available separately and instead comes bundled with the mouse as the Logitech MK880 Signature Comfort Plus combo, priced at around $100. That wraps up our impressions, but we'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. How do you like these new peripherals, and how much importance do you place on ergonomics when choosing a mouse or keyboard? If you found this video helpful or enjoyable, don't forget to leave a like and maybe consider subscribing to our channel for more interesting tech content. You're watching Bench House, my name is Ivan, and I'll see you next time.